Good morning, class 2. In our last class, we have learned how to fill in the blank numbers, in which addition as well as subtraction was there, in which we are finding out the numbers what is to be written in this vacant circle. Now, today we'll do the word problems. Word problems, that means mixed word problems, in which maybe in some of the questions you have to add, or maybe you have to subtract, or maybe both you have to do. That is, first you have to add something and then subtract the letter number. So today we'll start with our first question, that is this. Just read down the question first. There are 55 students in class 2A. So you are also in class 2. In one of the section of class 2, there are 55 students in class 2A and 48 students in class 2B and 53 students in class 2C. So what you have to find out? What is the question? How many students are there in all the three sections? One word is missing from here altogether. Means what is the strength of this class 2? What are the number of the total students studying in class 2? So what you have to do? If I ask you how many numbers of students are there who reach in class 2, we will add number of students of all the three sections, that is 2A, 2B and 2C. So how you have to do this word problem? You have to write first, right here, classwork, today's date, that is 03/07/2020 and word problem. If you want to write the page number, you can write the page number also. Page number is 53. So we'll write here page 53. Clear? Now solve the problem. Number of students in class 2A. Number of students in class 2A. Now we'll write the number of students who is studying in class 2A. In the same way, the number of students in class 2B. Now you have to write the number of students studying in class 2B, that is 48. Same way, number of students in class 2C. Clear? So you have to write the students number in all the three classes. Am I clear? Okay. After that, you have to find out the total number. Whenever it asks for the total, or when you read, it asks for the total students, you have to add. So we'll give here plus sign. What you have to know? How many students are there in all the three sections? Means number of students, or you can write total number of students in three sections. Total number of students in three sections. So we'll write total students in three sections. Now you have to add the numbers. So 8 plus 5 13 plus 3 16. 1 you have to carry. 5 plus 1 6. 4 10 plus 5 15. Always write the number in their respective column. This is the strength. Now you can write the answer also, or you can leave this as it is. Now write here 156 students are there in all the three sections. Am I clear? Like this only you have to complete this exercise. I know number of questions are too much. There are 20 questions. So we'll do this slowly. Okay. Now 159 people went to see a film on Friday. 235 people went to see the film on Saturday. And 478 people went to see it on Sunday. How many people saw the film on these 3 days? Again, same. You have to add number of people saw film on Friday, this much. Number of people saw film on Saturday, this much. Number of people saw film on Sunday, this much. After that, you have to add total people saw the film on these 3 days. Again, you have to plus. Okay, same. Question number 3. Among the 889 people living in a village, 339 were men. Now 319 were women. How many children were there in the village? This is a little bit question complicated. What you have to do? See, total people live in a village is given. In this, men and women given. You have to find out the number of children live in that village. So what you will do? First you add the number of men and women live in the village. Whatever answer comes, we will subtract that number from the total number of people. Am I clear? Okay, let's do this. So at first you will write number of men live in the village. In the same way, number of women live in the village. Now add this. Okay, 339 and 319. Now we will write 339 and 319. Now you have to add this. 18, 1 carry, 5, 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, these are the numbers of men and women together live. Okay, now this is total women and men. Total of men and women. Now we have to find out the number of children. Total number of people we know. This is the total number of people. So we'll write, after leaving one line, you write total people live in the village, that is 889. Total of men and women, now you have to minus this total of men and women. Now this, understand this better very clearly. Total number of people live in the village is this much. Out of that, men this much and women this much. Question asks us to find out the number of children. So first we'll add the number of men and women. Okay, then from the total people live in the village, we'll subtract number of men and women to find out the number of children. Very simple. 9 minus 8, 1. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 6, 2. This is the number of children live in the village. So number of children live in the village. Okay, clear? So you can write separately also answer. 231 children live in that village. Clear? Okay, move to the next question. Find the sum of this and this. Sum very easy. Sum means you have to add. You can add these three numbers very easily. Okay, now let's come to question number 5. In a box there are 168 blue pencils and 283 red pencils. How many pencils are there in the box? Very easy, just add these two. Okay, now there are 154 people live in a campus. 21 of them were men, 100 of them were women, and the rest were children. How many children were there in the campus? This is as same as this one which I have done for you just now. Okay, in place of village you have to write in the campus. Understood? Now there are 947 boys and girls and these girls in the school. How many more boys are there? So this is the number of boys and this is the number of girls. Question asks how many more boys are there, means boys are more than girls, but how many? Suppose Sita is your friend. She is having 5 chocolates and your friend Rima is having 2 chocolates. So how many chocolates are there with Sita? 5 minus 3 minus 2. 3 is the answer. In the same way, number of boys minus number of girls. Understood? Okay. Next, find the sum of this and this. Again, very easy. Simply add this. I think this question has been repeated. See, same number. No need of doing this again. Only do this here. Okay. Now, by how much is 837 more than 431? Same concept. 837 minus 431. Okay, 837 minus 431 you have to write down. Okay, like this you write minus 431 and you will get the answer. So what is your homework? Your homework is to complete what problem? From question number 1 to question number 9, in which 8 is repeated. No need of doing this again as it is repeated. Okay, so 8 questions you have to do, and on these 8, 2 I have already done for you. I will send you the PDF also. You have to complete till question number 9. Okay, so see you in our next class. Till then, bye bye and take care.